warning for in north-central Kesota. Wadena County in north-central Kesota. Tornado emergency for Wadena. A confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed in Wadena, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. A violent to impact sections of Wadena. Doppler radar has confirmed tornadic debris in the air. This tornadic storm will impact the following areas. Wadena. Sneed. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses as a last resort. Either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and can